Hello, it's Monday, August the 8th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. The dollar weakened against most of the major currencies after the S&P cut the American credit rating from AAA to AA+, after closing the market during the weekend, and Asian stocks dropped over concern that the economic slowdown will worsen. Investors are in a panic and waiting for the European market to reopen today in order to see how things behave. Non-farm payrolls came out 117,000, better than expected 95,000, and the unemployment rate came out 9.10%, better than expected 9.20%. Wall Street closed mixed as the Nasdaq declined by 0.94% and the Dow rose by 0.54%. Crude oil fell to $83.66 and gold jumped to $1,696. No major economic data is expected today. The euro rose against the dollar before the meeting of the Federal Reserve today to decide on monetary policy after the S&P decision. The German industrial production came out minus 1.10%, worse than expected 0.10%. The euro-dollar's momentum is bearish below 144. Next support on the daily chart is at 140. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 142.87 and a high of 144.30. No major economic data is expected today. The pound rose against the US dollar following the S&P decision. As long as the pound dollar is trading below 165, the trend for the pound is bearish. Next support on the 1-hour chart is at 163.80. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 164.04 and a high of 164.77. No major economic data is expected today. The yen strengthened against the US dollar. The main trend of the dollar-yen is bearish. As long as the pair is trading below 78.50, the dollar is the less attractive and a short position is preferred. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 77.90 and a high of 78.45. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar fell against the US dollar as oil dropped over concerns about the economic slowdown in the US, as the United States is the second oil consumer after China. As long as the pair is trading above 0.98, a long position is preferred. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9797 and a high of 0.9863. No major economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your online trading needs.